Hey everybody, it's Chef Adam with Iron City Restorations, and I've got a wonderful day off with my family today and not really trying to work a whole lot, but I wanted to point out something that's kind of interesting. Everybody asked me, is it possible to have non-stick scrambled eggs in a cast iron skillet? And I'd like to let everybody know this is just a basic modern lunch, and it's coated with our Ravens Blend cast iron seasoning. And I would just like to prove to everybody how easy, with proper technique and proper heating of a skillet, you can do some pretty non-stick eggs right out of the cast iron. And of course, it's not going to be just perfectly clean necessarily, but I think you would agree that that is a perfectly cooked pile of scrambled eggs in cast iron. We got a wonderful, nice plate of our scrambled eggs, and if I really wanted to, I could sit here and nitpick and get the rest of it off, and can even take a damp paper towel while it's still warm, and it just wipes right out. I'll finish this up in my sink later, but as you guys can see, it is certainly possible with a properly seasoned, properly heated pan. And after that, we're pretty much a dry towel away from being able to make another batch of eggs. Thank you for coming in and seeing our video today. Like and follow us. Make sure you hit the bell up top. And be sure to stay tuned at Iron City Restorations for more simple cooking videos. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day.